Hello everyone, my name is Sophia Siddiqui and I am from Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. I have secured All India rank 758 in UPSC Civil Services examination this year. While preparing for UPSC, the two most important things is to understand the UPSC syllabus and the previous year questions. For the comprehensive coverage of the syllabus, we need to read the NCERT books and along with that, the basic books for every subject. So the books which I have referred to develop that conceptual understanding has been the firstly being the Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant sir. In this book, the constitution, the articles and its various provisions are being explained in a very lucid and detailed manner, and it is a must-read book as many aspirants refer this book. For prelims, the small factual details, the nitty-gritties, the comparison tables like between the powers of president and governor. So these kind of things help in solving the previous year questions. And apart from that, for the GS2, the static part of the polity, like the constitutional bodies, these things are very well explained in this book. So it helps in writing the qualitative answers where we can mention the article numbers, the Supreme Court cases which are being mentioned in these books. The second book is being the Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania sir. The art and culture syllabus is vast and huge, but to cover it as per the UPSC syllabus and as per the demand of the questions, so in this book, the use of pictures, the graphs, the maps and the diagrams, which also helps in writing the qualitative answers for GS1, which also helps in gaining more marks. So this book has been, these two books have been the solid ground for my UPSC preparation. Apart from these two books, I would also like to recommend a Polity Simplified book written by Rangarajan sir. In this book, he has covered the polity and the governance subjects. He has also mentioned the answer writing strategy for these subjects. And apart from this, after every chapter of the book, the previous year questions of both prelims and means are mentioned. And for means, the model answers are also given. So it helps in structuring the answer and also to develop the content for the answers. So I would like to recommend these books for the aspirants to have the better understanding of the UPSC syllabus and to get better marks. Thank you.